Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll show you, step by step, how to delete a blocked Payoneer account and create a new Payoneer account. This process ensures you can continue managing payments safely and securely. Let's get started. First, log into your Payoneer account. If your account is blocked, you may need to contact Payoneer Support to confirm closure. Next, reach out to Payoneer customer support through their website or chat. Explain that you want to close your blocked account. Payoneer may request verification details to proceed. Once Payoneer confirms the account closure, wait for the confirmation email. Make sure all pending payments are resolved or withdrawn before proceeding. Now, to create a new account, go to the Payoneer Sign Up page. Select Sign Up and choose your account type, typically individual or company. Enter your personal details carefully, including name, email, address, and banking information. Ensure all details are accurate to avoid future blocks. Next, submit the required documents for verification. This may include a passport, national ID, or proof of address. Once submitted, wait for Payoneer to review and approve your new account. You'll receive a confirmation email when your account is ready. That's it. You now have a new Payoneer account and can safely manage your payments again. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more easy, step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching.